Hi guys, today we are checking out this very impressive 100 watts GaN charger from Unitek. It has 4 ports. We can use up to 100 watts on a single port, but we can also share them among 2, 3 or 4 different outputs. But the total is of course 100 watts, but still very impressive. And it's nice and small and beautiful, has a lot of protection built in. So I'm going to take it out of the box and then show you what we can do with it. So here's the box, so let's open and see. And so here's the charger, nicely protected, and it comes also with a user manual which describes all the specs of the different ports, different options, different combinations, how we can use it, and some special notes and the package content. So it's really nice that we have this foldable plug here. Yeah, it's a solid build, but still very small, compact. And so I've been running the protocol test here on USB-C, and you can see the support of Quick Charge 2.0, 3.0 and PD 3.0 with up to 100 watts. We can also see the different voltage which are available: 5 volts, 9, 12, 15, 20 volts for fast charge, especially for newer phones. And exact same thing on the second port. The third port is a little bit different. We have maximum of 12 volts and still a lot of compatibility, actually even more on the third port here. You can see Quick Charge 2.0, 3.0, PD 3.0, lot of compatibility for Samsung, Huawei, Apple, but of course a lower maximum here. And even on port number 4, which is USB-A standard output, we have compatibility with Quick Charge 2.0, 3.0, but of course no PD, because PD is only available on USB-C, as we all know, but we can still get higher voltage for fast charge. Of course, that's only a protocol, so we want to see if it can deliver these 100 watts in real life. So we are increasing the voltage to the maximum 20 volts. Let's do a ramp up test. So let's start here. We are at 30 watts and 40 watts and still going up, 50 watts and 60 watts and still going up to 90 watts. Let's see where it stops. And so we had a cutoff here at 19.9 volts with 5.1 amps. And so when we do the math, we have been cut off at around 102 watts. Really impressive. And only this device got hot. Here we cannot even notice a little bit of warmth. Of course, when you're using it at maximum for a longer time, you will feel a little bit of warmth, but it looks like it has really high efficiency. You don't have to be worried about too much heat, and it has also a lot of protection. And so I have here 4 phones connected to this charger, and so let's plug it in and see what happens. First one turns on, this one goes also into charge, this one and this one. Yeah, we have all 4 phones now charging, so it works really good. Still no heat to feel. I would say it's a nice thing. What do we have compared to others? Maybe not an absolutely fancy design, but still it's really small, compact. The package doesn't come with additional charging cables, but usually we have plenty of them already, so no need for more of them. So I would say it works exactly as intended, so I can give you full recommendation. And if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it from there if you like it. And I hope I'm able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.